interviewing skills and 30-second elevator pitch programs are also run by OCLP team. And the purpose of professional and career development, we also run different programs like HPL, High Potential League, whereby we focus on the student's personal brand. To make the students a good marketable graduate, OCLP also introduced many different series of psychological assessment and career efficacy assessments. और ये काम बखूबी सर अंजाम देते हैं हमारी टीम के एक्सपर्ट प्रोफेशनल्स, जिसमें हमारी साइकोलॉजिस्ट की टीम भी है और पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की टीम भी है। तो ये सारे काम हमारी OCLP टीम बखूबी अंजाम देती है ताकि हम स्टूडेंट्स की इंगेजमेंट को बेहतर से बेहतर बना सकें और UMT का नाम हमारे स्टूडेंट्स बाहर इंडस्ट्री में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें एक बेहतर तरीके से।
Office of Corporate Linkages and Placement facilitates its students and alumni by sharing the internships and job opportunities. This service is available to UMT graduates to pursue their career in their relevant fields.
Business leader engagement means to inform students about the perspective of the industry, that what skill sets are required, and to inform students about the current trends and challenges in the corporate world. In the new normal. The purpose of this session is to facilitate the future leaders to build their future without the fear of failure, getting up their enthusiasm, and most importantly enabling them to lead their success before they emerge in the professional career. So OCLP took this initiative to guide UMT students so that they emerge as the marketable graduates. So if you need any kind of support and help, so we are here. Come to us and we will facilitate you in your career path.
At OCLP, there is also an integral part of this office, which is corporate linkages. So on daily basis, we are reaching out to the industry to grasp the opportunities for UMT participants, students, graduates, and alumni as well. The purpose of this linkages is to get the maximum and secure the placements of our students into the industry. For this purpose, we are also signing the MOUs with the industry, which helps UMT to collaborate in multidisciplinary way with the companies, so we can bring them on board and have collaborative interaction for students, faculty, staffs, and for so many other activities. And there is one more important thing, that UMT is going to launch an cooperative education program, which is a blend of theory and practice, and the idea is to generate a work-ready graduate for the industry.
Mock interviews and grooming sessions are organized by OCLP to help students improve their weaknesses and take informed career decisions.
Career development is an ongoing process which identifies your goals, passion, strength, values, and personal qualities. These things relate you with the world of work. This process will help you to increase your chances to employability. So, please visit us to build your career.
Making your choice to pursue your interest and opportunity, securing an internship, cooperative education position, part-time jobs, and volunteer experience in the field of your interest, and conducting an informational interviews. We have an online job portal which is actively used by employers and students. We get online traffic around 20,000 of students and 2,000 of employers.
The Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements at UMT is a pathway to a bright career for the students. What we try to do is help our students in every way possible where they can reach the heights of their career through our guidance, through our counseling, and to all the services that we provide.